Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for homework in 2026. Yeah, if you want to complete assignments faster and understand your subjects better, this tool can be really helpful because, honestly, it combines quick explanations with real sources in one place. So first, start by asking clear questions. Instead of typing random keywords, ask specific homework questions like explain Newton's laws in simple terms or summary of a chapter, because clearer questions give you better answers instantly. Next, read the AI-generated explanation. Yeah, Perplexity gives you a simple and structured answer, which helps you understand the topic quickly before writing your assignment. After that, check the sources. This is very important. Perplexity shows references for each answer, so you can verify the information and use those sources in your homework to make it more accurate and reliable. Also, ask follow-up questions. Yeah, if you don't understand something, just ask again in a simpler way or request examples, which helps you learn step by step without confusion. And yeah, use it for writing help. So you can generate outlines, ideas, or explanations, but make sure to rewrite everything in your own words to avoid plagiarism and improve your learning. Finally, review before submitting. Most of the time, students who double-check their answers and understand the topic perform much better instead of just copying. Hope this helped. And I'll see you in the next one.